Brothers and sisters, the Lord honors patient faith, and it is never too late for miracles. In Fiji, a faithful wife waited 8 long years for her husband to join the church. 8 years of attending church alone, while her husband remained uninterested and hesitant. Yet she did not withdraw or resent. She served. When the wife received her patriarchal blessing, she was promised that if she remained true and faithful, a day would come when her husband would take her to the temple to be sealed for time and all eternity. Over 80 years and 24 missionaries later, the husband was baptized and the couple was sealed in the house of the Lord. To be clearer, I should say, my wife, Anita, and I were sealed in the house of the Lord. My only regret, I wish I had been baptized sooner. Brothers and sisters, God keeps His promises, but in His timing. These stories are not about statistics. They are about souls. I witness that Heavenly Father and Jesus Christ know every family represented in these stories. They know the tears, the prayers, and the patience. They know the feelings of every waiting spouse, every praying heart, and every child. They know every sacred promise. These things remind us that conversion is personal, timing is individual, agency is sacred.